Good morning! So today I'm gonna be going out for the whole day, so I thought I'll bring you guys along with me and vlog my day. I'm also gonna be doing a photo shoot with my friend Diane. And yeah, I'm gonna go get a quick breakfast. I've had something earlier, but it was definitely not enough. I had some protein shake with some toast. Tap, tap, tap. Oh my god, it looks so much better now. I normally like to use this lip gloss from NARS, just a little bit. And then we're gonna go out and get food. Okay, let's go. So I'm here at Bryant Park and it's so noisy and so crowded here, and they're also building an ice rink right in the middle, which is so cool, but it's only opening at the end of the month, so I'll be back again. But I've never tried ice skating before. I don't want to hurt my butt or break a bone. That's just so scary, but it looks fun, and there's a lot of little shops here, and I got myself some waffles. I don't know how to eat this because I don't have a knife. I have two forks. That'll do, right? It's gonna be a mess. I don't want to stain my shirt. But okay, let's eat. Full of chocolate. Very tasty. Very delicious. I like my Belgian waffle really crispy, and this is really crispy.
Yeah, she's texting me periodically when she's like.
I'm here with Diane. Hi! We are here today at a studio, Diane's studio. It's not really my studio, but yeah, it's my studio that I use in New York. Yeah, and we're gonna try to teach Chloe how to take good photos. I don't know. Because you clearly have seen my Instagram game. Have you seen like my pictures? Yeah. It's so bad. No, it's, you're just being nice. Yeah. So today she's gonna teach me how to pose. Right. Try my best. Try my best to teach you how to pose. Diane is a professional photographer. Yes. So she shoots for Vogue, National Geographic, Kendall Jenner. I'm so intimidated because like I am not a model and I gotta pretend that I am to impress Diane, so she wants to shoot for me again. So yeah, hopefully everything goes well. Let's go. We'll see. Yeah. Let's go. It's true though that millennials go like that, but then Gen Zers are more like, they're like more cool and they know how to pose. They're like, millennials are like, it's like, oh here, oh there we go. No, we look so badass. This picture is really good. That one's really cute. Yeah, that's actually happy. This one. Diane looks so pissed. He's like, you shitty little girl, do not know how to pose. The Gen Z pose. That's so lame. That's not a Gen Z pose. It looks like someone singing in the choir. Like la 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 la. Right? La 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 la. Exactly. Like hallelujah. Yeah. They always have that like, I can't be fuck face. Yeah. You're really good at that though. So like, oh my god, the lighting here is so much better. Gosh. Yeah. Okay, let's try the millennial photo. Yeah, okay. You have to open your mouth, yeah. And then oh my god, we should do a Gen Z one too. Like I think it's like this, like loose. Okay. Yeah. And we're like, yeah, right? That looks better. Let's do, yeah. It's not this. It's like a loose hand like this. Like I'm not really trying to pose right now, but yeah, you know, yeah. I am posing. Yeah. Oh, and then it's this. Oh.
Yeah, exactly. But I don't know how people do it with groups. Let's do hearts. We're nice girls.
We're heading to our friend's event. She's launching a new oil or something.
I think it's like acne, something for acne.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good for me. I'm breaking out right now. So yeah, we're heading there now.
So it's at a place called Miss You, owned by Esther Choi, Chef Esther Choi. Do you know her?
No.
Oh, shoot. Okay. But yeah, she's like a Korean American like chef in New York City, and so that's where we're heading.
Okay.
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go support Leah. Yay!
Hi, I'm back home and I'm so tired. Like every time when I go out for a whole day, I just feel so exhausted and I need to rest for a couple of days after that. And also I got my period, so I feel pretty miserable. I've been here for over a month now and I really like it here. There's certain parts of New York that feels really sketchy, but I try to avoid going out at night, so I guess that's fine. I try to be as safe as possible, but you don't know what's gonna happen here. Anyways, I can't believe it's October already, which means I need to prepare for my new program in January, and also I need to find a place to stay permanently in New York. Right now I'm just staying in an Airbnb, and then I need to get out of the country to get my visa approved and then come back in by the end of the year and then get an apartment. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of things to do in the next couple of months, so I think I'll be a little bit stressed out. Anyway, that's the end of today's video. Let me know if you guys have anything that you want to see from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!